You already know patience is the key of all of success. So if you do any work consistently and you feel bored, you feel tired, and as well as you do that same way, you are in patience, I would say. Patience. So patience is the key of all success. So if I share any story, any famous story, like um, successful man, all successful man is patience. Like if you see Elon Musk, Bill Gates, all successful people, they are patients. Nothing happened immediately. Success never happened overnight. So patient means is the consistency. If you do exercise and you don't feel that it's not growing, and you feel bored, you feel tired, you just do that 2 days. If 2 days would be your life would be changed, it's never happened. 2 days nothing. You need to understand that patience is the key. Consistency. Doing consistency, your muscle would be grow. If you do that consistency 5 6 years, it would be grow. So nothing happened in 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. So consistency is the key. you know Patience, I already shared with you that patience is the key of all success. If you do work, if you want to be rich, any kind of thing you want, so you need to give patience. If you want right now, I need to be like that, you never you never be like that. You need to time, given time. If you want to be like muscular man, you never want to be within 2 days. You need to given time, you need to do exercise, and thereafter you can gain your perspective what you want. So benefit of patience, if I share with you that benefit of patience is the so sweet. you know Patience is the most important thing, I would say. Many people hasn't patience. 99% people hasn't. If you see 1% people, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, they have patience and they do that. Every successful people, if they gain any valuable thing, he provide or she provide patience. Therefore, the God. So benefit of patience is the sweet. It's so amazing. If you want to be like, if you be patient in a certain field, in a certain specific thing, you can understand that what the benefit of patience. So do that. Strategy for developing patience. So like you need to train that patience. So um, if you are boring about like overwhelming enthusiasm, if you get any success, you are enthusiasm, or you are like in frustration, tired, all sort of thing, you are frustration, you are not patient. You need to be patient in your happy time, in your frustration time. So and practice that. Practice that every time. You can practice that patience. It's your here patience. So number 6 is your personal reflection. My personal reflection. So I can understand that patience is the same with patience equal consistency. So I have consistency, and you know that if you notice my channel, this channel, YouTube channel, I gradually, not gradually, every day, each day, I'm doing post. I have been publishing my post for 3 2 3 months. If you check my all of video, if you check my channel, you can understand that. And I'm doing exercise every day. So it's my duty. Success is my duty, you know. So it's today's video, and I recommend you doing patience every moment, never never over enthusiasm, never over frustration, giving patience, doing work, thinking big. That's it. So see you later in the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe button, all sort of button, and in the next video I will meet with you in that. Until that, happy hunting.